Hi everyone and welcome to Seeking the Sacred Earth. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia right now and spring has sprung. It's been super warm for a few consecutive days and so we're all committed to the fact that spring is here. And I'm going to refer to something now and in the future. I'm going to refer to something called cosmic weather. I've been talking a lot about how we are all so interconnected and we're connected to the plants, we're connected to the animals, the energy around us, water, everything is so connected. And that is also true when it comes to our planet and other planets and celestial bodies. All of that energy, everything emits a vibration. And so that's affecting the planet Earth, and it also affects the human beings on the planet, and would be affecting beings on other planets as well. Our Earth energy would be affecting them. So I've kept track of things like this in my life because I find it so interesting how everything affects everything else. And I won't go into specifics because it can get sort of jargonish, but right now we're in a time where there is a lot of fiery energy and a lot of water energy. And so how that manifests is you could have, really deep, intentional, unintentional, emotional outbursts, or internally, you may be feeling surprisingly deep or surprisingly intense. But with the fire energy, it also means that these feelings could manifest in the way that you process them as like anger, agitation, frustration. So what we want to do is take the energies that we have to work with and take them to their highest vibration. So we want to stay out of the lower vibrations like road rage and picking fights and sort of, nitpicking, finding the negative right now, or really outbursts of anger. And we want to move into an area where we can actually use that fiery energy to help us. And then we can get in a state where we've used the fire productively. Then we can take those sort of deeper emotions and feed them into creativity or connecting with people in a really positive, open, and loving way. So the challenge with this fiery energy, and you know what it is, you have to sweat. You have to move the body. And I don't mean, just like a gentle yoga class. I mean, we need to be moving. We need to be running, walking, till you sweat. And I don't mean glow. I mean like we want to be sweating drops of sweat on our mat or on the bag, or, you have to take your t-shirt off after your workout. That's what you want. That's going to help give the sort of the intensity of this time in all of our lives a release, and so that we can relax more and see the beauty around us. So, I'm going to do it. I started it last week. I started kickboxing again. And I have to say, it's making a huge difference. And that sweat is, some mornings it's like I'm not into it. But when I do it, I feel so much better, and it's so much help, so much help in focusing, creatively as an actor, as a writer, and it's help as a mother to, deal with the 2-year-old who's getting frustrated, and you can't get frustrated with them. So I highly recommend this. Initially, I was going to do let's do 7 days and see, you guys tell me if you're doing it, if you're sweating. But this is a process that I don't think we should relegate to a 7-day challenge or even a 30-day challenge. I think it's really important that we keep physically moving, and in a way that allows us a sense of release, a sense of letting go of anything that could get in the way of you and operating from your highest vibration. So I hope this makes sense. I'm going to start posting more often and talking about the idea of cosmic weather and how we can take the energies that are being offered to us from, all around the universe, how we can use them practically to elevate our lives, to elevate our relationships, and our creativity, ultimately. Okay, thanks so much, you guys. If you like this, share it. But most importantly, just sweat.